Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Midea, a Fortune 500 company, is bringing new robotic floor cleaning technology to market. The S8 Plus is powerful, can operate for up to 3 hours on a charge, and with the self-emptying capability, only requires bags to be changed about once a month. It features what the company calls vibration mopping capability as well. It's an impressive performer that can store maps separately for upstairs and downstairs. Meanwhile, Midea's new Obode brand, Obode, is launching the P8 self-cleaning robot for sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping. It has separate water containers for clean and dirty water that are easy to access. The two circular mops on the bottom are self-cleaning when the unit returns to the base, which has a hot air drying feature as well. Find the Obode P8 on Kickstarter. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at Sea Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.